Welcome to What to Expect After a Written State Complaint is Filed, a companion video to the IDEA Special Education Written State Complaints Parent Guide. This video provides information about what typically happens once a state education agency agrees to investigate the complaint. Written state complaints are described generally for Part B of the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA. This video is not intended to interpret, modify, or replace any procedural safeguards or requirements of federal or state law. To begin with, generally, the state education agency will send you and the school a letter with information about the complaint resolution process and other options for resolving your concerns, such as mediation. Mediation is available as an option to resolve the problems identified in a written state complaint, and may be a quicker and more direct way of resolving issues relating to a specific student. As you learn about other dispute resolution options, or as the investigation proceeds, you may find that you no longer wish to continue with the complaint. You can withdraw your written state complaint any time before the state education agency issues its written decision. A person or team is assigned by the state education agency to investigate the complaint. The investigation may include visits to a school or other locations, reviews of documents, and interviews of people who have information relating to the complaint. A written decision is made no later than 60 calendar days after the written state complaint was received by the state education agency, unless the timeline is extended. You and the public agency may agree in writing to extend the complaint timeline so you can participate in mediation, or the state education agency may extend the timeline based on exceptional circumstances. The state education agency must provide a written decision that addresses each problem identified in the complaint. It includes facts and conclusions and lists the reasons for the final decision. The decision must also include any actions required to address the needs of the child or group of children involved in the complaint. If the state education agency finds that a public agency has not followed the IDEA, it may require the public agency to take certain actions. The state education agency must make sure that the actions are taken to resolve the problems identified. Parents can contact the state education agency if they believe this is not happening. While the IDEA does not require states to offer an appeal process for written state complaint decisions, check with your state education agency for appeal options that may be available. For additional information on written state complaints, including what happens after a written state complaint is filed and how it compares to other dispute resolution options, visit www.cadreworks.org/parent-guides. State regulations associated with IDEA dispute resolution processes vary widely. Parents and family members are encouraged to contact their state education agency or a parent center for more specific information. The Center for Parent Information and Resources can also assist. They provide information on a variety of special education topics and a current list of all the parent centers in the nation on their website, parentcenterhub.org. To review the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, visit sites.ed.gov/IDEA. This concludes the What to Expect After a Written State Complaint is Filed video. We encourage you to also view the IDEA Special Education Written State Complaint video if you have not already done so, as well as the other family resources located on Cadre's website, www.cadreworks.org/for-families.